Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if there's an easier way to make your money work for you without having to become a financial expert overnight? Maybe you've heard the term investing and thought it sounded complicated, or maybe even a little intimidating. You're not alone. For a long time, investing felt like it was only for people in suits on Wall Street. But what if I told you there's a platform that's made it simple, accessible, and even a little bit fun? That's where Nutmeg comes in. Nutmeg is a digital wealth manager that helps you invest your money in a way that's tailored to you. They handle the hard stuff, the research, the rebalancing, the nitty-gritty details, so you don't have to. It's a fantastic option for anyone who wants to start building their financial future but doesn't know where to begin. And the best part? Opening an account is surprisingly straightforward. So, let's walk through it, step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Nutmeg website. Once you're there, you'll see a big Get Started button. Click it. The process begins with a few simple questions to help Nutmeg understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for a house? Retirement? Or just building a rainy day fund? They'll also ask you about your financial situation, like your income and any existing savings. Don't worry. This is all just to help them build the right portfolio for you. It's like a personal financial coach, but in an app. Next up, you'll need to choose your investment style. Nutmeg offers a few different options, from fully managed portfolios, where they do all the heavy lifting, to fixed allocation portfolios, which are a bit more hands-off. They also have socially responsible options if you want your investments to align with your values. Take your time with this part. It's a key step in making sure your investments are a good fit for you. Once you've made those decisions, it's time for the nitty-gritty details. You'll need to provide some personal information, like your name, date of birth, and address, to verify your identity. This is a standard security measure to keep your money safe. You'll also be asked to link a bank account. This is where you'll transfer the money you want to invest. And just so you know, you can start with as little as £100, so you don't need a huge lump sum to get going. After all that's done, you'll review everything, accept the terms and conditions, and you're good to go. It's that simple. You've just taken your first step into the world of investing. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch your portfolio grow. The Nutmeg app gives you a clear, easy-to-understand view of how your investments are performing, so you can always stay in the loop without the jargon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.